Great. I like it. Okay. This will be amazing. Oh my gosh. Where did you come from?
Oh, well, I was going to make a pumpkin spice martini.
I know, I see that.
And what are you doing? That's a piece of pie.
I had an idea.
Okay, well, it's probably going to be a lot easier than what I had in mind, so let's go for it.
Just in time.
Sure, let's do some Baileys.
Do you just carry a shot glass?
I was getting my shot glass. Yes, I do. That's pumpkin spice Baileys.
You have great timing, that's for sure.
Vodka. What is this? Is whipped cream
cream.
vodka.
I figured if it's on your table, it's got to be good, so I'm going.
Oh my gosh, this is great. All right.
Oh, you're excited.
I am
Excited about my
now.
little project, aren't you?
Let's see what happens.
All right, thanks.
Ooh, so how thick is that? Oh, that's nice.
It's milky. Woo!
Perfect. Okay, so let's rim the glass with maple syrup, and then pie crust.
How are you walking into my drink right now? I just wanted to make a quick whoop.
Well, I'm gonna make your quick whoop look pretty.
That's why we keep you around.
A little pie crust. I know, you can't wait, can you?
Wow. I almost got away with it.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes, I am. Here it goes.
I don't do it as well as you, but let's do it.
Oh, now that is good.
I mean, I might be onto something here.
I guess so. That's easy. Let's add a little bit of pumpkin spice.
Of
Actually,
course. May I know?
Absolutely. After you.
Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Welcome. Welcome, wonderful
Do I
drink.
get a try?
Oh, yeah, I'm so sorry. I forgot you were standing here.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
See? I just threw pie in a blender.
Oh my goodness, that is really good.
Yeah. I don't know what you're planning on doing, but...
Wow. I think
I'm
we're
done.
on something.
Oh, we are?
I think we are on.
Okay.
Yes.
You did a great job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks. Thanks for stopping by.
Pumpkin spice martini. There you go.
Is there more pie?